Hi, my name is Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm just going to do a brief search engine optimization or SEO audit of your website and just kind of go in depth on a few things that you could do to help bring in more customers to your business. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So first thing, I really like the aesthetic of your website. It's a pretty good looking website. A few things I would personally change. However, like I said, this is more about search engine optimization, and aesthetics really don't play a role in that. So the first thing we look at is content. You want to have about 1,500 words or more of content on your homepage. Reason being is we found that that's the most success with the Google algorithm, is to have 1,500 words or more to start ranking up in Google. Secondly, it allows for you to have more keywords, and that's what's going to be pretty prominent. Keywords are a very important area in SEO. That a lot of SEO partners and companies don't talk about because it's kind of one of the hidden things that aren't always discussed. Now, what a keyword is it's simply anything that's plugged into the search bar. So for example, Des Moines garage door repair. That is one keyword. And even if you rearrange the words, for example, if I put garage door repair Des Moines, that would be another separate keyword. Garage repair Des Moines, Des Moines garage repair. As you can see, there's many different ways you can format it. But why it's important is because whatever someone types in here, the top that pop up are going to be somewhat based on those keywords, because the more relevant the keywords, the more Google algorithms will see and be like, oh wow, this is what they're looking for, and pull them up. So what I did is, as you can see, I typed this in and I found one of your top competitors. So I know Precision Door, they're all over the place. So I wanted to look at this overhead door Des Moines and just kind of see how they're doing. Their website is aesthetically nice and they have a decent amount of content, but I wanted to look more deeply. So I use a tool called Ahrefs, which you can get as well. It's a $250 a month subscription, I believe. But it's really helpful for looking at search engine optimization. If you're not going to do your own SEO, I don't suggest getting it, but if you do, I totally recommend it. Now, we can see that they're being found for 766 keywords, which is quite a bit. And what's really cool about this site is it even shows you what Google is finding them for and the position they're in. So, they're being found for all of these. Let's just look at a few. Overhead door Des Moines, overhead doors Des Moines, garage doors Des Moines, IA, Des Moines garage door, garage doors Des Moines, Iowa, so on and so forth. Now I want to highlight two things on this page. One, the volume per month. 500, 600, 500, 450, 450, 400, 200. You've got a couple thousand right here searches a month by people. But then I want to draw your attention to the position they're in on Google. Number 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. Being at the top is very important. The click rates released by Google every year showed that 80% of people won't go past the first page on Google. Now, if they're not going past the first page, that means if you're on the second page, you're probably going to get 20% of the people searching for things. Third, fourth page, 0%. So if you're not on the first page of Google, you're missing out on a lot of people who are looking for your services, potential clients. It's all a numbers game at the end of the day. So you want to make sure you're at the top. And the last thing I want to talk about is how you get to the top. So if we go back, we can look at two things that really drive where you rank in Google. And that's going to be your backlinks and referring domains. Backlinks are any link from one website to another. So if site A is pointing to site B, then there's a power transfer from site A to site B. Now the more of these backlinks you have, the more you'll rank up. It's kind of like a big popularity contest, but there's more to it than that. Where you're getting the sites from need to be high quality and relevant. If Google sees you're getting them from spammy foreign websites or websites that have nothing to do with your business, for example, restaurants or something along those lines, then it'll actually bring your site down because it'll be like you're not getting trustworthy sites. So you really got to make sure you're doing quality and quantity. Now we can see that your competitor has 508 backlinks with 52 referring domains. I ran your website as well, and we can see that you have 73 backlinks with 27 referring domains. Ultimately, it's not bad, but you need to have more. You need to have more backlinks, more referring domains, and be at least competing in the numbers game. Now, lastly, the thing I do want to touch on is just like we can see how it pays off. The organic traffic you're generating a month is 26 clicks a month, 26 visits a month. Your competitor, 687. So you can clearly see that Of course, not all of these convert, but if only 10% of them did become customers, that's 68 more or less customers a month you could be bringing in. That's a huge difference. So in closing, we discussed 3 things. We talked about content and having 1,500 words or more on the front page. We discussed keywords, and I showed you just how important it is to have those keywords and the different variations so that you can be found by more people. Lastly, most importantly, we discussed how you get to the top of Google and how you can use backlinking and other SEO techniques to get to the top of Google. Now, if you implement the strategies and tools we discussed today, there's no doubt you can climb in Google. But if you want to get to the first page, stay on the first page, and continue to generate those 80% click rates, then go ahead and give me a call at 813-515-3488, and we can discuss further. Or you can just simply reply to this email and we can set up a meeting. I look forward to working with you. Have a great day.